Hi friends, Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to prepare for you a tasty salad. It's a salmon avocado salad with a lavender-infused honey, lemon, pecan dressing. And I think it's, well, the health content in the salad is there for sure with the avocado, the salmon, but the flavor profiles are absolutely delicious. So it's kind of a salad, and so I'm going to show you how I put this dish together. My salmon avocado salad with a lavender infused, which is becoming pretty popular. Lavender is starting to pop up in a lot of different things. Lavender honey infused lemon pecan dressing. Let me show you how I make this. Okay, now let me get my plate over here. Now I have some mixed spring lettuce and some spinach in here, some mixed greens. Now I have some salmon that I've already cooked, and I seasoned the salmon with this garlic black pepper that is absolutely delicious, and some salt. Okay, so you get the garlicky flavor out of here. Set that piece there, that piece right there. So you see the darkness of the salmon. That's from that garlic flavored black pepper. Now, what I want to do, I sliced up some of this avocado. Okay. Put this on both sides. The salmon, by the way, after I seasoned it, I simply cooked it, pan cooked it for just a couple of minutes on each side. You can get it done to your liking, okay, however you like it. I use about 3-4 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of the salmon. Okay, so I'm putting some tomatoes on here. Oh yeah, and can't let this avocado get away. So let's see, where can I put? All right, we'll put up there, and you know, I'm gonna put some red onion on here because I'm a huge red onion fan. Okay. Love some red onions. Okay. And then I'm going to show you how I make, look at this. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how I make this dressing. Okay. Let me set this right here. Now, I have some lavender infused honey. Okay. All right, put a couple of tablespoons of that honey in there. I have some lemon, the juice of the lemon. Okay. Now, I'm going to add some balsamic vinegar, just a touch of balsamic vinegar in here. Okay, and I have some finely minced up pecans in this dressing. Okay, now mix well. Everything blended, the vinegar with the honey and the lemon juice. Now, I want to taste this. Yep, that's delicious. This honey, this lavender infused honey, I just came across this not too long ago, and it's absolutely delicious. So take some of my dressing. Top of that, around the salad, on top of the salmon. Some of those pecan chips in there. Oh, yes. Okay. And this made a mess chopping things up here. Okay. But this is my honey avocado salad with red onions, tomatoes, spring, the spring lettuce thing with the spinach, and diced up avocados, and I made my lavender honey infused lemon pecan dressing to go with this, and the salmon, of course. I got the salmon, seasoned it, salt, and I used a garlic black pepper, a Szechuan garlic black pepper to season salmon. Cook it in olive oil just for 3-4 minutes each side, and put that over the spring lettuce mixture. Diced up some tomatoes, some red onions. I prefer red onions. You can also use white onions. That's okay with that. And you have yourself a delicious salad. Indeed. Well, that's my dinner for today on this edition of Cooking with Jay. And I always love to know what you think about the program. Thank you very much for watching the show. You can send me an email. Let me know what you think about the program to j.sennett, jae.sinnett @whrv.org. I would always love to know what you think about the program. If you tried some of my dishes, would love to know what you're cooking, what you're putting together, what tasty dishes you are creating in your kitchen. So my salmon avocado salad with a lavender-infused honey lemon pecan dressing. Don't forget about my Send It In Session jazz show on 89.5 WHRV FM, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings from 1 until 5, Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5. The R&B Chronicles, Friday nights, great soul music from 7 until 8. And you know, a lot of you know I also perform around the area, so I hope you can come and see some of my performances. If you want to find out where I'm playing, check out jsennett.com, my personal website, to see where we're performing around the area. And also invite you to check out my new cooking page, thecosmopolitanpalette.com. Thecosmopolitanpalette.com shows you what I'm up to with my cuisine and some of my cooking ideas. Thanks again, friends, for watching the program. Be safe. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evenings starting at 6 p.m. on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page, and you can also see archive editions of the program at the WHRO Public Media YouTube channel. Be safe until the next edition of the show. We'll see you then. Take care.